Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here with
Justin Tinsley.
Justin.
Just caught the new whip.
We got the new whip. And we got the GT500 here, as you guys can see. So we're here at Cars and Coffee, Richmond, and we're gonna be checking out some Beaks. And yeah, so here we go, let's go. That's on low as hell.
I didn't think that qualified.
We got the cam only Camaro.
Cam only Camaro. Heavy model. One SS.
Let's go. Whose dad's is that, my bro? So I could have rode him in the SC, but this dude's dad sold me. Got the Corvette. Yeah, we drove the Mustang today because we didn't have the SC inspected yet, so we had to drive it. And we got the Mazda. And we got Justin's Beak right here, as you can see. Cold startup? Nah, not yet, not yet.
Cobra.
GT500. There we go. We got the GT2 RS, the Ferrari. I think it's a 4.5. I think it's a 488 Spider. Not a Spider, it's a 488. M4. Danny Evo. Not Danny Evo, but close.
Half Danny Evo.
NSX. That wrap is actually crazy on this.
Yeah, for real.
Pink wrap. Corvette. Gallardo, not hype, but it goes crazy. They got the Spider in the freaking, in this cold weather. It's like probably 50 out here.
Yeah, man.
And they got the Spider. It's just kind of clean, you know, automatic, you know how they all are. Hey, we got the Jeep line today. Actually, yo, some of these are actually kind of hype. Like that one's hype. We got the rest of the Jeep line today. Yo, wide body.
I wonder if the Gladiator's here.
We got the Supra with the GE, same engine as mine.
Why is this guy red?
What is this dude? Then the Nissan 240. Yo, that bumper is actually kind of crazy though.
Oh my god.
What?
I think it's made out of wood.
Yo, the CRV.
JDS Beak.
And then we got the S13. He's taking pics of his Beak, I think.
He's got the...
Oh, you're at the stock one right before mine.
That thing is crazy, actually.
You got the Mark 5.
Where?
The Mark 5 GTI.
Oh, GTI.
Yeah.
We got the GTI. Yo, you should park over here. This is the GTI line, bro.
Yeah,
this
for
is like
real.
yours.
He's dirty down.
Yo, you gotta ask this dude what his exhaust is.
Exit, can you move? Dude, the Hellcat now.
We got the R32.
Coming, so I saved you a spot, man.
Let's go. We saved him a spot up in there. Is this the F430? Yo, that's just kind of cool. I think it's the F430. Yo, from Florida? They hard. They got the scooter. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Kind of clean.
Bang.
We got the Bang sponsored. Is that the V10 one? Bro, chill. That sounds like a V6. Nah, never mind. No, don't. G6.3. What you mean, bro? G60. Oh, nah, that AMG.
Oh,
C63.
Five
Turbo V8. Another AMG. That thing's kind of hype.
Yeah.
Not it doesn't have the big wing,
Some of that.
but it's hype.
He just like pulled it out of the spot.
Yo, the R35. That shit's hidden.
Oh my god.
That's the classic.
Holy,
That
that
boy-
thing is high.
What is?
That's heavy.
Yo.
That thing is a boat.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, that wrap is kind of crazy. I need to figure out who does these wraps so I can get one.
Yeah, for real.
Coming to the channel soon.
Power and go.
Yo, this Mustang got the 5.0 license plate, and he ain't even got the 5.0. They're gonna fit on this dude.
Big defendant.
Sorry to say. He's got a hype wrap though, kinda. And we got the, I don't even,
JDM.
180 SX. It's kind of clean. It's not really clean, but
Zip tied.
kind of built. A wide body. He's a left-hand. Wait, yo, that's a left-hand drive?
Yeah.
That's hype, actually. We got the antique vehicle, GTST, which is kind of hype.
The Grand Cherokee's parked over
Dude! Tears kind of OP.
the right-hand trickle.
Yo, is this Jackson? Monster
Jackson.
Speed 3. This is hyper than his.
Isn't Jackson's black?
Nah, his is white.
No, I ain't seen it. Old ass Audi.
We got the freaking Macan parked way over there. They're hype.
Yeah, and
Or the Cayenne.
and,
Oh, the SRT, someone's mom.
the fake car. That'd be a hype
Yo,
car
that,
party.
look at the fitment right there, bro. That's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, that Mustang donked out.
Yo, and that Rick and Morty rap. That dude got the Rick and Morty rap.
Someone's dad thought it'd be a chill place to park. More people are pulling up.
We got the two Ferraris. We got a lot of Veeks here. Probably the most I've ever seen because we just went to the other lot. Y'all are probably gonna see the clips of all the other cars in like another lot because right now we're at the OG lot. Like where the food court is, where they were doing construction last year, or I guess like this year.
The guy at Ardo.
But now we're in the new lot, and we got that yellow guy that always shows up is here. So we're gonna get some more Veeks, and then I hope you guys enjoy the video. We got the California. No, I think that just comes with the California Special. The like convertible roll bar.
Yeah.
Kind of clean.
Oh, I didn't even know.
His dad is here.
Custom thing. California Special.
Yeah, I think the California Special comes with it.
Got the pop up and down headlights.
We get the Miata.
Look at you, try to get That's it.
And we got all these Veeks over there. The security
He's got the
dude
Segway for the meat.
brought the Segway. We got the cam only here, once again. With the carbon fiber wing. Dude, those are beautiful.
This is off.
I know. We got the Ferrari, I don't even know.
It's clean.
Shoot, we got the gated manual. With the tan interior. Dude, that's
355 Berlinetta.
F350. I know Berlinettas are hype, but
Hold on, let's see. Come on.
that's kind of clean. We got the R8 with the freaking, then we got the farm used vehicle. Yo, what was that? Yo, we got the boat on land.
That already sold though. Look at the license plate.
What? We got the boat on land though.
The land yacht.
FD RX-7. This is like the first ever seen here.
Cold start.